Has your boss ever asked you to take 20,000 golf balls and bury him alive? Recently, we buried my boss alive with 20,000 golf balls, so we thought we would break down how we shot that stuff for social media and promotional videos and exactly what went into these videos. Let's get into it. This is the video breakdown. My name is Jamie. You're watching Fergvision. I'm a creative director, and at the company I work at, Buffalo Bottlecraft, we make custom sports gifts from real sports balls. We print and make different products out of blank golf balls, and we had a really large shipment of those golf balls come in, so Dave had an idea which had been kicking around for a really long time to just get a big pallet, put Dave at the bottom of the pallet box, and fill it with golf balls. I got a pallet, Dave brought a watermelon box from a big box store, and we basically put him in the bottom, taped off any openings, and filled it with golf balls. So the prep was essentially just setting that up and then getting my angles, as well as setting up the two lights that we had, the two LED lights that we had. Our shop is still running full bore. I was still doing some different shipping and stuff before I stepped into the video role in that day. I set up two distinct angles, one head-on, one overhead, and then I mic'd both myself and Dave up to make sure that we got pretty much everything. For the main angle, I used a DSLR hooked up to a Blackmagic Assist. That way I knew the record time would just run as long as possible. For our main angle, I put it sort of out of the way where I knew people wouldn't have to walk through it, but it was also a head-on shot. We have a ton of footage from multiple cameras with really great audio and a ton of different great moments to dig through. There's almost 2 hours of footage and at least 20 minutes of usable footage. So I'm glad that I set it up as well as I did with the lighting and with the audio. This is something that happens quite often at our company where I'm actually part of the video as well, or at least assisting. I did film a breakdown while we were there, so let's go back in time to that shoot and Jamie will break it down for you in the past. Just shooting social media. There's the icon over here that's going to shoot the main angle. Cover Dave in all these watermelons. I'm gonna cover them on all these golf balls. So I prepared these around here, and we've got our key light over here. It's just like an LED to provide some extra level. We've also got a backlight here. Do a little bit of separation. Those are just standard LEDs. The thing we did the most work on is this angle up here. That's just another DSLR, and that's gonna run top-down angle. We tried stuff like initially it was just like inside this doorway, kind of like peeking over here, but we knew we needed something kind of like that, but also we're gonna have people pouring the balls in, so that's the setup. Like $25 LEDs that can run off NPFs, and this will run at 100% for like 4 hours. I love this light. That one not quite as good, but it'll run for like 2 hours at 50%, which it's like 100 watt. That's our setup. And then for audio, we've got this super cheap knockoff Rode wireless thing that I'm wearing, and it's just going into our DSLR. That's one of the reasons why we're using DSLR as the main angle. I'll have Dave wear the DR10L that I have. I'm just doing laps here because Dave is showing one of our employees how to work a machine. Oh shit, that would be helpful. These ladders. I was scrounging around for decent sized ladders and they smacked me in the face when I walked around the shop trying this fake road thing out. I think it sounds pretty good. I can't really tell, to be honest. If you do media like this, we want to hear from you. What did you think of our video? What kind of videos have you guys had challenges on? What are the trials and tribulations? We will see you next time because I have to go take my son on a walk. Goodbye.
Why do I have so many golf balls? Because we make golf bottle openers, golf ball flasks. We print on golf balls. We'll print your own logo. We've got these funny joke golf balls in two-piece craft packaging, or they come in this cool, sustainable egg carton packaging. We got these funny golf balls here. I pay my caddy to touch my balls. My balls like it rough. We got our golf ball flask. So if you get a bogey on the back nine, you can drink your sorrows away. And we got bottle openers out of a golf ball available in our TikTok shop. Check it out. Doug, you got to cover, that's the whole idea, so. Yo, I assume that's your face too? The whole face, yeah, my whole face.